Ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Good morning. You are now listening to DZBP 721 live at St. Andrew's School, the radio station of St. Vincent de Paul, the Vincentian Station, bringing you the hottest news in our campus. Hi, I'm John Daniel Gallardo,
And I'm James Matthew Tilopina,
bringing you the true news in the campus. The first headline, Andrian Idol finalists to perform at Mission Fair. Second, Andrian in PSAP finals. Third, the St. Andrew's School opens up Mission Fair 2010. Fourth, St. Andrew's School celebrates the UN Day. Fifth, 5-day semestral break, 7 days away. Sixth, second quarterfinals exam.
This is James Matthew Tilopina, bringing you the first news. Andrian Idol finalists to perform in Mission Fair. After hard elimination and difficult decision of our judges, have finally chosen the finalists for the Andrian Idol competition. And making their way in the finalists are now narrowed down to 7 for the Kid Idol and 9 for the Teen Idol. And the competition is heating up for the last performance is nearing at the Mission Fair celebration 2010 at October 8th. Andrians are now casting their votes on who they want to be the next Andrian Idol. For today is Andrians and PSAP finals. The school roared and cheers for the teams who represented St. Andrews for our school for PSAP in 2010. Entering to the finals, the school cheers and congratulated our teams who represented us in PSAP. Firstly, our basketball team takes fourth in the competition. Volleyball sits at silver in the second place, and the badminton players score sky high with their first gold medal. Matthew Filipino bringing you the second news for today. Andrews and PSAP finals. The school cheers and roars for their representative as the PSAP starts 2010. Entering to the finals, our school roars and cheers for our teams as they win, fight, and go for the gold. Our basketball team takes fourth place in the competition. The volleyball sits at silver at second place, and the badminton players soar sky high as they take the gold medal. And here's Chan with live coverage of.
We are now here in Olivares College at Sukat, Parañaque. You are now listening to the fight of St. Andrews School varsity volleyball girls versus St. John girls. The first set was won by St. Andrews School. We are now waiting until the end of the match. Back to you, James Matthew.
And here's Mark Celestial with the third.
Hello, listeners. This is Mark Celestial bringing you up third news. St. Andrews School opens up Mission Fair 2010. St. Andrews School once again opens the celebration of the Mission Fair 2010 in October 28-29. In the first day, there would be a field demonstration of students in the SESE, grade school, and high school department. For some instances, teachers would also be dancing to entertain the audiences. Rides provide the students and the community to enjoy for the rest of the day. On the second day, there would be a bingo contest to be held for the Andrian community. The goal of this fair is to donate all the accumulated money for the less fortunate, people who are harmed by the weather condition, and for the people who need help. Andrians are now expecting to have full cooperation with the said celebration. Bringing you up the fourth news, St. Andrews School celebrates the UN Week. Last October 8, 2010, St. Andrews School celebrated the United Nations Week. Various events happened in the said week. The AP department held a contest about song interpretation. The criteria and rules were given to every section. Then there would be a presentation of different countries and its interesting places. The AP department held a quiz bee about UN and historical facts. 10 minutes before 11, brought to you by St. Andrews. Here's John Daniel Gallardo for the fifth.
And the fifth news is 5-day semestral break is 7 days away. Our STEM break is only 7 days away. I think that the start is our Mission Fair. We are so sad because the real STEM break is only November 1 and November 2. And the resumption of our classes is on November 3. That is on November 8. We are considering that the 2-day Mission Fair is included in our STEM break. We hope that we are gonna have fun despite the short. And the sixth news is second quarter-final exam ends. Last week, Andrians were pushed to their limits as they study hard for the second quarter exam. we are all wishing that we all pass or get high scores in our exams. Andrians are also trying to complete their clearance before the second quarter exams. And now that the exam ends, the Andrians are nervous and relieved after the exam. And now here's James Jetser Chan for... Okay, ano naramdaman mo nung pagkatapos mo makuha yung second quarter exam?
Yung second periodical test?
Oo.
Nako, grabe, ang hirap. Lalo na yung chemistry.
Oo nga, mahirap nga yun. No?
Mas madali pa yung math namin eh. Sana nag-geometry na lang kami ulit.
Ano naramdaman mo pagkatapos ng second quarter exam?
Naku, okay naman. Kaso nga lang, noong una, kinakabahan ako eh. Pero nung tapos na, okay na, nakapagpahinga na ako ng maayos.
Okay. Thank you sa inyong... Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon na tapos lang ang ating second quarter exam?
Ayun, relief naman. Kailangan ko na palaban yung panyo ko, puro dugo na yan. Sa ulo, dumugo nga ilong ko. Lalo na chemistry, Diyos ko.
Okay, thank you sa iyong opinion. And here's our headline recap. First, Andrian Idol finalists to perform at Mission Fair. Second, Andrians in PSAP finals. Third, St. Andrews opens up Mission Fair 2010. Fourth, St. Andrews School celebrates the UN Week. Fifth, 5-day semestral break, 7 days away. Sixth, second quarter final exam ends. Hey James, who do you think will win the Andrian Idol?
It depends. There are a lot of good talents here in Andrian Idol, but my bet is only two people. Ray Conde and what's her name again? Danica Velasco. Is that right? Yeah. What about you, Sean?
I don't even know who would win, but for me, I want to vote for Ray Conde and Danica Velasco. For they have good quality of voice.
I agree with you too. I wanna win Conde and Danica.
For today, hope you enjoyed our radio news broadcast. Brought to you by PCPB 7.21 SAS